Good morning. I got in at 11:23. I got squeezed out at 11:48. Um 300 shares, the locates were about 750, so nothing crazy. I had a bunch of factors on my side. Looks like my timing was incorrect. So it had a first red day. What am I saying? It had a first green day yesterday, 160 million volume. Today is its first red day. I'm not seeing any significant news. Not a lot of volume, not a top percent gainer. On Oracle, it's projected to go to 1031. I, of course, have no more day trades. Um, Give me 1 second. It's under yesterday on the 10-day chart. Um, it is falling below this like 1160 area. Next stop on the train looks to be 11, and then the next stop is like 9. So I waited for a bounce on this because I was like, there's no way it's just going to drop. It's going to drop and bounce. This is exactly what I tried to do yesterday, is wait for a bounce to VWAP to get in. So by the time I saw this happen, it got up to 11:55. I was not being able to be executed, dropped very quickly, and I didn't want to miss my entry because now it's testing this low. So I got in at 11:23, and unfortunately, it did another tap up to VWAP and squeezed me out. This doesn't seem normal to have two taps to VWAP right away. So this might just be a short squeeze. And the minute it goes kind of past this level, it's just gonna get tricky. And even like me trying to get executed here, it just kept going up, 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 up. Like I was in 1123, my risk is 33. The next thing I knew, we were at 43, and then I'm like, okay, 43, okay, 45, okay, 48. Like, just get me out as quickly as you can. This is a short squeeze, in my opinion. Because it's just not acting normally. And these are shorts covering, and it's gonna, push back up. These are not, because you see this pre-market level to 1162. This totally makes sense as a short, but not so much what it's doing now. So that's it. I tried to play this on IB, but IB was telling me that I'm under PDT restrictions. Like, it usually says that when like one trade hasn't finished yet. So, um, maybe I'll fucking take a stab at it with IB right now. No, that's revenge trading. But you know what I mean? It seems like a freaking good play. Like, what the hell? Um, So, yeah, that sucked. So that was $77 plus $7. That's like 80 something dollars, 84. But it's not acting the way that I want. And then, funny enough, BTX, yesterday I said it was going to go to 550 because of all this support in the 550 area. Or was I wrong? Yeah, 558. It's just dipped below that. So that is interesting. Where's VWAP? Where's my 1 minute chart? Went all the way to 520. Yeah, yikes. This shit is scary now. I mean, if it can get under 1162, I would feel more comfortable reshorting if I had a whatchamacallit, day trade. But you see, it's not functioning correctly. This should one bounce up to VWAP should take me down. This is now a short squeeze. Everybody that thought that this was the enough, everybody that thought that this was enough. So this is just not done kicking. Maybe this one. So let's see what Oracle predicts. 1292. Where is 1292? Ooh, 1292 is up there. That's 1260. 12. It's predicted to go to there. Wow. But this is exactly why I do not hold this shit forever. Like I was at 1223, I would be underwater 80 cents. Hell fucking no. So if I give myself 10 cents with slippage, it turns into 20. I'm okay with that. Yeah. This shit is unpredictable. Let's see how high it goes. It's crazy ass stock. Romeo. Wow. It's called Romeo Power. New York Stock Exchange is not really my thing. My thing is more NASDAQ. Whoa. Hold on, can I zoom out? It's not letting me zoom out. Okay, Oracle said till here. It's probably gonna trap more shorts that are like, this is it. This is the turnaround. I would be down $1 on my position right now. I would be down $300 if I did not cut my loss. So that's why loss cutting is important. I'm just watching it. This is a very tempting position to get in, but it broke this level. It broke. Like all this support, resistance, resistance, but it broke through. So in my mind, that's telling me it's going to keep going. I could be wrong. Or maybe it'll come back down to VWAP. Maybe it's done. See, it's like you never fucking know. Okay, so this was some type of turnaround position. 1232. Up? Are we going back up? It's not even a top percent gainer. Where is all this interest coming from? Another one of my 10 crack commandments is to never buy anything short of a VWAP. Shit is dangerous. This to me is in the green right now. VWAP just went higher, and it looks like it's going to break through. See? This lured in a bunch of shorts, thinking it's the turnaround, and this is squeezing them. See? What did I say? I was correct. I was correct. You see how fast that shit went from 30 to 45, 50? It is like no joke. I'm really glad I caught this on video. I was right. Yeah, I do not fuck around with support lines. Yeah, so this thing is acting super weird. Internally, I'm actually wanting to attack it more. And I think a lot of short sellers make the mistake to keep adding, 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 adding when something's going against you. I think it's much better for me to just leave this alone, um, so that I could have a day trade tomorrow. So far, I've had two, three, four. I have six. I think this was my fourth one. I should have two more somewhere, but who knows? This week was wonky because I think I used two on Monday. I gotta figure it out. But yeah, I do not trust this anymore. So this, ladies and gentlemen, is a short squeeze. Um, and that's all for right now. Have a good night. It may even break from red to green because it was freaking 12% in the red. It's just made a 10% move. Up. Anyway, have a good day.